Hey all, back with another video, and today's video is shot using the Sony ZV-1. Let me know what you guys think about the video clarity. This is using the onboard mic. So today's video is a little bit about the gear. I have not made any new purchases for the last, I would say, almost 8 years in terms of computers, in terms of laptop. Now the Mac Pro that I've been using is the trash can model. It's got, over the years I've upgraded it. The RAM sits at 64 GB. It's a Xeon processor. Back in the day it was 12 grand. My god. Yes, back in the day it was 12 grand. I had some grants for it, okay? Yes, it was a crazy purchase, and you know what? If you are like myself and you've probably been watching a ton of the latest Apple M1 MacBooks and Mac Air, you will be tempted. And obviously I have been waiting for this moment, a very power efficient laptop that will be able to get the work done. And when I saw the MacBook just trashing the rest of the other high-end desktop computers out there, I knew I had to get one. And today's video is really about my latest MacBook Pro that I just purchased. It's a 16 GB, 1TB version. One of the things about creating content would be the rendering speed, and as you know, the Mac Pro that I've been using, it takes like, my god, okay, dragging and dropping the clips into the timeline already is quite a headache. You know, if I have to edit in 4K, it's like almost ridiculous unless I do it in proxy. So with proxy, obviously I'm gonna waste a ton of time as well. But yeah, right now I really don't have an excuse anymore, so that I can just film stuff and then just throw it into the MacBook, and hopefully I can get edits out 4 times, 5 times as fast. Obviously, people like myself, and if you are like me who have not upgraded their laptops, especially for their Macs, for the last 7-8 years, this would be the time. Of course, if you're gonna wait, there's gonna be the M1X and then the M2, and you know how it is, right? Because Apple's got such a huge war chest with their latest ARM chips. John is gonna get better and better. Bye bye Intel. Okay, anyway, these are the stuff that I bought for the MacBook Pro to make it a little bit more, not say efficient, but to make it more effective. Now, as you know, the MacBooks all come with just 2 USB ports. I can only see the USB ports. Oh, okay, sorry, this is the speaker, that's for the headphones, and I've got these 2 USB-C ports right here. And one of the first things that I bought was actually this casing, but as you can see, I actually used a cutter and I just cut this thing out. So why did I do that? Well, it's for this. Let me just show it to you. Alright. So I actually purchased the Mokin. Yep, this is the USB hub that I purchased. The reason why I bought this was because it comes with the LAN port, and it's got SD card readers, micro SD card readers, USB-C, HDMI, and you can even charge with it. It comes with 2 USB-C ports. I've replaced this with a magnetic connector for charging, so that, you know, okay, this is the one, and it's braided obviously, and in the event if somebody just you know, decides to trip over, this thing will just disconnect. Now, why did I have to cut this piece of plastic at the bottom? Is because I want it to sit flush. When you connect this thing, okay, let me just use 2 hands, it will be flush. If not, you would see a gap. And with Macs, because they are built so nicely and beautiful, you don't want to see any ugly gaps. So I had to cut the plastic, but anyway, this plastic piece is so damn cheap. Got the protector. I'm still missing this piece. Apparently, if I zoom in, this touch bar here, it actually has this like film that I can feel. So I think it's got its own film. But anyway, I bought protector for it. Let me just This whole casing comes with this screen protector as well, which I will be removing and replacing it with a privacy screen protector. Okay, so if you are like me and you just made the purchase for the Apple M1 MacBook Pro or the MacBook Air, these are just some things that I think you should buy to make it more functional, and you will not be running all over the place looking for like USB-C adapters, because this hub, it's got everything there. It's all that you need really, and you'll be able to do your edits anywhere. You know, your old USB drives, your old SSD enclosures, blah blah blah. Everything, you can just use this bad boy here. Okay, and I think that was something that I wanted to share with everyone, because I think too many benchmarks have been done on the latest Apple M1 laptops. So if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will be back really soon with another video. Take care. Bye bye.